You search for how to buy shares of Fintel Plc. Fintel Plc is a UK-listed firm focused on financial technology and data services, trading on the London Stock Exchange under LSE plc with ticker FNTL.L. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker FNTL.L to find the listing. Make sure you select the LSE listing so you locate the correct Fintel Plc share. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the ticker and exchange details to ensure this is the correct Fintel Plc stock. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio showing the holding. If you want to follow the same process, the eToro link is in the description.